complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to listen.
Today is a listening class to hear what you learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations. First, vocabulary. Next, grammar. This, that, these, those.
Great. I want to hear these words in real situations.
Perfect. Listen for simple phrases, useful questions, and natural answers. Now, let us start with the main dialogues. At the fruit market. Good morning. How much are these apples?
Good morning. They are $2 a kilo.
Great. And are those bananas fresh?
Yes, they came today.
I want 1 kilo of apples and 6 bananas, please.
Sure. Do you want oranges too?
Yes, please. Are those oranges sweet?
Yes. This orange is very sweet. You can smell it.
Nice. I will take 4 oranges and these grapes.
Perfect. That is $8, please.
Ordering breakfast. Hi, can I have this table by the window?
Of course.
Thank you. Is that apple juice?
Yes. It is fresh apple juice.
Great. I would like apple juice and a banana muffin.
Sure. Do you want coffee too?
No, thanks. What are these small cakes?
They are lemon cakes.
Okay, 1 lemon cake, please.
Good choice. Your order is coming soon.
In the supermarket. Excuse me, where are the lemons?
They are in aisle 3, near the oranges.
Thanks. Are these pears on sale?
Yes. These pears are $1 each.
Great. I need 4 pears and 2 lemons.
Do you want a bag for those mangoes too?
Yes, please. This bag is small.
No problem. That bag is bigger.
Perfect. I can put the mangoes and pears in it.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Hotel check-in. Hello. I have a reservation for 1 night.
Welcome. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure. Is this form for me?
Yes. Please write your name here.
Okay. Is that elevator for the rooms?
Yes. That elevator goes to all rooms.
Great. Do you have breakfast?
Yes. There are apples, bananas, and coffee in the morning.
Nice. These keys are for room 204, right?
Yes. Your room is on the 2nd floor.
At the bus stop. Excuse me, is this bus going downtown?
No. This bus goes to the airport.
Oh, thanks. Which bus goes downtown?
That bus across the street goes downtown.
I see it. Are these tickets okay for that bus?
Yes. Those tickets are fine.
Great. How long is the ride?
About 15 minutes.
Thank you. I will cross at the light.
Good idea. The light is safer.
Planning a picnic. The park is nice today. Do we have fruit?
Yes, I have grapes, strawberries, and a watermelon.
Great. These strawberries look good.
They are sweet. Do you want one?
Yes, please. Is that mango for later?
Yes. And this pineapple is for everyone.
Nice. I have sandwiches and 2 peaches.
Perfect. Put those peaches near the drinks.
Okay. This blanket is big enough.
Good. Let us sit and eat.
Good work, Nexo. These real dialogues help you understand everyday English.
Yes. I can hear the words and the grammar more clearly now.
That is the goal, to listen in context and feel more confident.
I will listen again and practice the phrases.
Excellent. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye, everyone.